Maumirira ma kigeranio gya KCPE mwaka uyu matanyitwo gutiriha miaka 38 ya mutaratara wa githomo wa 844 thiini wa thukuru cia muthingi. Uyu ariguo mwaka uria arutwo aingi muno marandikithitio gwika kigeranio giki. Arutwo 1,415,315 na 315 nio mekire kigeranio giki ciumia 3 hituku, na riu MIHANG'O ya kumaka igeranio ici nirikiriire. Minister wa githomo EZEKIEL MACHOGU akiuga maumirira no marekererio ihinda o riothe kuma muthenya wa rucio.
We have done the marking, it is finished, and we are going to release the exam, the KCPE exam, anytime next week.
MACHOGU augite kwaniriirwo tene kwa maumirira maya ni guguteithiriria aciari mehaririini ma kuingiria arutwo thukuru-ini cia secondary kiambiriria-ini kia mwaka ukite.
We will also be able to conduct the Form 1 admission before Christmas, so that the parents can be able now to prepare their children to join Form 1 early, at least the 3rd week of January.
Mwaka uyu kurari na ciiko 6 tu cia igeria ria wicu wa igeranio cia KCPE, ciiko 46 cia igeria ria wicu wa igeranio cia KCSE na ciiko 147 cia arutwo kunyitikana na maratathi matetikiritio ceceni-ini cia igeranio.
We are 99.9 perfect. So what we are going to give the country this particular year is credible exam where integrity has not been compromised in any way.
MACHOGU ni ateteire mogaruruku maria marakinyanirio ni kanjo ya igeranio niguo kurigiriria wici wa igeranio, akiuga matirarongoreirio thukuru imwe kana gicigo kimwe gya bururi niguo kuhahama marks cia arutwo.
The rules and the regulations we are following are countrywide. They are not targeting any given individual or any given community or any particular county or any given school.
Igeranio cia KCSE itanyitwo gutirihwo kiumia giki na MIHANG'O ya kumaka yambiririe orio mwaka uyu. Ministry ya githomo ikiuga ni yongereire ceceni iria igukorwo ikihuthika ni undu wa MIHANG'O ino.
After we finish the exam on 24th, we are also requesting our examiners, they will be able to come. We have increased the number of marking centers around Nairobi and the areas around, so that we are able to start marking KCSE.
Ona gutuika MIHANG'O ya igeranio nitanyitwo kurikirira o wega icigo-ini imwe cia bururi kurari na nditi kurumirira mbura nene iria kuretwo igithie na mbere. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Ngina wa Wadurwa.